Hey everybody, my name is Brandon Levine, and welcome to today's video on using the summarize feature within content fragments in AEM. So, for those who might not be familiar with what the summarize feature or summarizing text feature is, it essentially allows us to leverage various algorithms to help us reduce the length of maybe text we have written to a predefined set number of words while keeping the points and overall meaning of our article still present. So let's say we have a 1,000-word article that we want to automatically shorten down to, let's say, 300 words while keeping the main points and other important aspects of that article. This feature will allow us to do that. So as you can see, I am already loaded into the content fragment, and to get access to that summarize feature, I'm just going to Control A on my article. As you can see, we just have some sample lorem ipsum text loaded in here. And once that is all selected, I'm going to enter full screen mode. And then at the top right, we see we have that summarize text feature right here. But before we do that, I'm going to go into the statistics of this page, just so we can see what it looks like. So we have 511 words. We have 26 sentences, 9 paragraphs. And really the only point I wanted to look at was how many words were present in this article. So I'm going to click OK. Now, to use the summarize text feature, we are going to click it, and then we can give it a target amount of words we want to have present. So if I wanted to shorten that 511 words down to about 200, I could enter that in, or if I wanted to go shorter, I could. If I want to do 100, I could do that, but I'm just going to stick with 200, and then I'm going to click start. It's going to take a second to load, and now we have a preview of what is going to be cut out of the article to shorten it to that length. As you can see, that the summarization got it down to 292 words, where the target was 200, so pretty close. We can preview what the article is going to, or what the article is going to look like without, the previous words there. If I wanted to save a few sentences, maybe the feature took out a sentence or two that I wanted to make sure was still in there, I could hover over the dashed out red line, click it, and now we'll keep that sentence in there. And I can also do the reverse. If I wanted to take out a sentence, I can hover over it, click it, and now it's going to be removed. So after previewing it and approving it, I can click summarize, and now our content fragment contains around a 200 words of text now versus the original 511 we started out on. Great, so that's going to be today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to leave a comment, give this video a like, and please subscribe, and have a nice day.